SolidWorks, a premier 3D CAD, computer-aided design software, is known for its user-friendly interface and powerful capabilities. The interface of SolidWorks is designed to provide engineers and designers with an efficient and intuitive environment for creating complex 3D models, assemblies, and drawings. User Interface Overview. Menu bar. Located at the top of the interface, the menu bar provides access to all of SolidWorks functions, including File, Edit, View, Insert, Tools, Window, and Help. Each menu contains relevant commands and options. Command Manager. Below the menu bar, the Command Manager is a context-sensitive toolbar that dynamically changes based on the type of document: open, part, assembly, or drawing. It groups commands into tabs such as Features, Sketch, Evaluate, and more, making it easy to access frequently used tools. Feature Manager Design Tree. On the left side, the Feature Manager Design Tree displays the hierarchical structure of the model, listing all features, sketches, and reference geometry. This tree is essential for navigating and modifying the components of the design. Graphics Area. The central part of the interface is the graphics area, where the model is displayed and manipulated. Users can zoom, pan, and rotate the model using the mouse and keyboard shortcuts. Task Pane. Located on the right side, the Task Pane provides access to libraries, SolidWorks resources, File Explorer, and the Design Library. It's a versatile area for accessing additional tools and information. Heads-up View Toolbar. This toolbar floats in the graphics area and contains tools for view manipulation, such as zoom, rotate, and display styles. It allows users to quickly change the visual representation of their model. Navigation Tips. Mouse Controls. Right-clicking brings up a context menu with relevant options. The middle mouse button, scroll wheel, is used for zooming, scrolling, panning, pressing and holding while moving the mouse, and rotating the model, pressing, holding, and moving the mouse while holding down the control key. Keyboard Shortcuts. SolidWorks supports numerous keyboard shortcuts that enhance efficiency. For example, pressing the spacebar opens the View selector, which allows quick changes to standard views like top, front, and isometric. Search Bar. The search bar at the top right corner helps users find commands, models, and documentation quickly. It's a powerful tool for locating features and tools without navigating through menus. SolidWorks interface is designed to streamline the design process, making it accessible to both novice and experienced users. Its combination of intuitive navigation, customizable toolbars, and comprehensive feature sets ensures that users can focus on creating high-quality designs efficiently.